Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fiesta brake discs. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level, stable surface, and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Gather all your necessary tools, such as a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire procedure to protect yourself from potential hazards. Your well-being is our top priority. Once your vehicle is safely supported, begin by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you are working on. After lifting the car with your jack and securing it with jack stands, completely remove the wheel. Next, unbolt the two caliper bolts and carefully remove the caliper, hanging it securely to avoid stressing the brake hose. Finally, remove the two caliper carrier bolts, allowing you to slide the old brake disc straight off the hub assembly. With the old disc removed, thoroughly clean the hub surface using a wire brush to ensure a perfectly flat mounting for the new disc. This prevents any wobbling or uneven wear. Carefully place the new brake disc onto the hub, making sure it sits flush against the cleaned surface. Reinstall the caliper carrier, tightening its two bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Then, reattach the caliper, securing its two bolts firmly. After installing the new disc and caliper, reattach the wheel and hand tighten the lug nuts. Lower your vehicle completely and then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to the correct torque specification. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This resets the caliper pistons. Finally, drive cautiously at low speeds for the first 100 to 200 miles to properly bed in your new brake discs and pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.